Hawaii's rainforests are filled with some of the world's most beautiful and rare birds, like the akohekohe and the kiwikiu. But right now, these native Hawaiian honeycreepers are fighting for their very existence. And the enemy? A tiny, buzzing invader that doesn't even belong here, the mosquito. Mosquitoes aren't native to Hawaii. They hitchhiked here almost 200 years ago. But now, they're spreading a deadly disease called avian malaria, wiping out birds that evolved with no defenses. In fact, of more than 50 honeycreeper species that once filled Hawaii's forests, just 17 remain. Some of these birds can die from a single infected mosquito bite. And it gets worse. As the climate warms, mosquitoes are moving higher up the mountains into the last safe havens for these birds. The akikiki, a charming little creeper from Kauai, became functionally extinct in the wild just last year. It's heartbreaking. But here's where science gets creative and a little bit wild. What if I told you the key to saving these birds is releasing millions more mosquitoes? Stay with me. A group called Birds Not Mosquitoes is using a clever solution called the incompatible insect technique. They rear male mosquitoes in the lab. Don't worry, these guys don't bite. The trick? They're infected with a natural bacteria called Wolbachia. When these lab males mate with wild females, the eggs don't hatch. It's mosquito birth control. The mosquito population drops and fewer birds get sick. Now here's where the drones come in. These aren't your backyard drones. These are 8-foot-long giants carrying up to 23,000 mosquitoes per flight. The mosquitoes are tucked inside biodegradable pods about the size of a marker and drop gently into the forest below. Once on the ground, the pods break down and the male mosquitoes fly off to do their job. Compared to helicopters, which can carry even more mosquitoes but are riskier and less nimble, drones are safer, quicker, and perfect for reaching rugged, remote terrain. Since late 2023, over 40 million male mosquitoes have been released, mostly by helicopter. But now drones are changing the game. This entire project is a massive collaboration. Park rangers, scientists, volunteers, everyone coming together to give Hawaii's birds a fighting chance. And as Chris Warren from Haleakala National Park put it, the only thing more tragic than these things going extinct would be them going extinct, and we didn't try to stop it. I can't help but feel inspired. It's a reminder that sometimes the best way to protect our most vulnerable creatures is with a little ingenuity and a whole lot of heart. Thanks for listening, and remember, every species matters.